Good morning, students. Welcome for today's class, class 7. Today we are going to further the topic properties of triangle, which I have been doing with you from last 2 days. Okay, properties of triangle. I have done 3 properties with you. Furthering on the property, today I'm going to cover the last property I left yesterday was exterior angle property, right? That exterior angle property and which is very much related to your, this is a fourth property, this is very much related to your sum of angles of triangle. Sum of angles of triangle. Fine. Now here I am going to draw a triangle. I'm going to draw a triangle A, B, C. This line I'm further extending over here. Fine. This ray I'm extending over here, and this one I'm extending over here, right? So that it should form the exterior angles also. Exterior angles which are formed outside. Let me straight the line. Okay. Now, exterior angles are those which are formed outside the figure. Okay. Now, relating it with sum of angles of triangle, I told you, you draw any triangle A, B, C, D, E, F, E, F, G, whatever you name accordingly. If you sum these 3 angles, it will come out to be 180 degree. Okay. So I'm writing over here, if I write, and I'm marking these as E, F, and G. Okay. So can I write in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, if I write angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equals to 180 degree. Can I write it? Or instead of writing these complete names, there's another shorter method of expressing your angles. We can name it as with numbers 1, 2, 3. So instead of angle A, see here, instead of angle A, I'm going to write angle 1. Instead of angle B, I'm going to write angle 2. Instead of angle C, I'm going to write angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Okay. This is another way of making your work easy for writing the angles. 1, 2, 3. Now, this is the sum of angles of, and by the virtue of, while writing this property, while writing this relation, we need to mention sum of angle sum property of triangle. We will write angle, this is the way we write angle sum property of triangle. This you have to mention, otherwise your marks are going to cut. While using this relationship, every time you need to mention the property. Cultivate the habit of writing the property at the end in a bracket. Okay. Now, coming to the exterior, how I'm going to relate it. Coming to the exterior of the triangle. Exterior of triangle, can I name it as 4? Can I name it as this? Can I name it as 5? This can I name it as 6? If I say angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree, by the virtue of linear pair, right? Linear meaning it is, linear word is made from the line word. Line पे जो angle बनता है and straight line पे angle बनता है 180 degree का, right? So linear pair, ये straight line है, this is your straight line which is forming angle 1 and angle 4, right? That too in a pair, 2 angles, pair बन गया 2 angles का. So that is why I've used the word pair, right? So linear pair is equals to, that is 180 degree. Straight line, always make the angle of 180 degree. You use protector, you keep it over here. Straight line is a straight line, it makes an angle of 180 degree. If I divide it, it makes the 2 angles, that means it has made the pair of angles. But whatever pair it made, and may it comprise of 3 angles, may it comprise of 4, from the same point I can make many angles, but the sum of all the angles is going to be your 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Now, one more property I'm going to cover by using this only. I believe this relationship is okay with you. Similarly, we can show that angle 2 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree. by linear pair only, same property we are going to use of line. Same angle 3 plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Fine, linear pair. Linear pair, same LP I'm writing, linear pair. Okay. Now I've shown you all the exterior angles, the way it is forming 180 degree, and the sum of angles of triangle, that is also 180 degree. I've been telling you from day one class. Now, furthering on this, very important property we are going to learn over here, right? Yes. So I believe this is okay with you. This is very much clear to you. Sum of angles of triangle is equals to 180 degree. On the exterior angles, you can find that angle 4 is exterior to triangle ABC, and angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. Likewise, 2 plus angle 5 is 180 degree. 5 is an exterior angle from your vertex B. Similarly, from your vertex C, 6 is an exterior angle forming 180 degree with the 3 plus 6. Fine. Very important property I'm telling you now, that is, see the relationship now. I'm going to redraw the triangle, same triangle, and see here how it will come. And then we will name the property. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the triangle. Let me do like this. Yes, this is triangle ABC, triangle ABC. Okay, fine. Shorten it. A, B, and C. Fine. This is a triangle. Now, this I'm furthering on D, E, and F. Likewise, we will name as angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. You know that that is 180 degree. Here angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. You can keep the number in any order, right? Provided the property would remain the same, you can write the number in any order. Okay. Now, over here, since I made you write in triangle ABC, the first property I told you is that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Fine. No doubt. Sum of angles of triangle by the virtue of this property. Now I am going to take only one set of linear pair, right? May I take angle 1 plus angle 4? Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. Fine. By the virtue of your linear pair. Now, see carefully, this is your result number 1, this is your result number 2, both are equals to 180 degree. Fine. So that means these three angles sum, addition of these three angles is equals to these two angles. Can I write like that? See here now. From 1 and from result 1 and 2, can I write 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 4, each 180 degree, each 180 degree. ये भी 180 के equal है, ये भी 180 के equal है. Can I do it? Can I compare these two results to be equal? Yes, right. If somebody is 5 feet, 5 feet of height, another person is of height, they are all equal. Okay, no matter the gender is different, boy or a girl, but they are equal in height. So on that basis, they are equal. So that's how I'm saying you 1 plus 2 plus 3. If the sum is 180 degree and 1 plus 4 is also 180 degree, can I compare that these two results are to be equal? Yes, we can compare. Now seeing this, you can say 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, and here 1 plus 4. When you know that when you transpose 1 and 1, it can be cancelled out. Why? Because you can bring this angle 1 over here, this angle 1 to the other side, and you have to change the sign, that is subtraction. Angle 1 minus angle 1 will be cancelled out. Okay, see the next step. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 4, and this angle 1 is coming over here, angle 1 after transposing. This angle 1 plus, and this is minus 1 minus 1 is 0 only. It is Finished. Okay. So you are left with the result angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Now you'll be wondering 2 plus 3 is equals to angle 4. Okay. So what does it mean? This new result has come to you, that sum of two opposite interior angle, the next property coming your way is, after this, I'm erasing this one and I'm writing the property over here, right? Very important property, right? This is yes. The property over here is, I'm telling you, yes, the property is the measure of the measure of the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to this is your fifth property, is third, fourth, fifth, sixth property, is equal to, yes, equal to the sum of measure of two interior angles, two opposite interior angles. Okay. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of measure of the two opposite interior angles. It is very much given in your book, this property also. Now see how I have written this statement. The measure of an exterior angle, that means your exterior angle is 4. The measure of an exterior angle, जो भी इसका measurement होगा, whatever it is, right? And that I'm going to prove you. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of measure of the two opposite interior angle. Two opposite, that means not angle 1, because angle 1 is adjacent to angle 4. We will not count that. Opposite are not 1 but other angles, that is 2 and 3. The sum of 2 and 3 is equals to angle 4 outside. This is how this property is being, this property is explained and it is justified also. Likewise, you will say, how about this angle 5? Angle 5 will be equals to your angle 1 and 3, not 2, because 2 is adjacent to angle 5. 2 साथ में उसको नहीं, opposite लेना है. So opposite interior 5 के कौन सा हो गया? 1 plus 3, right? If we are taking 6, so not 3, 1 plus 2 is equals to 6. Okay. Now we'll be doing certain questions and you'll be getting to know much, right? So with the help of questions only, I'm going to explain कैसे आपका sum equal आता है. Measure can be anything. For example, if I tell you, चलो इसी में आपको I will explain you how the measure comes out to be equal. Suppose 1, 2, 3. These angles sum is equals to 180 degree. Let angle 1 is your 70 degree. Fine. Let angle 1 is your 70 degree. Let angle 2 is your what we can say 55 degree. Fine. And this is angle 3 is also your 55 degree. Right? I marked it. These two are 55 and this is 70. That means it is an isosceles triangle. I've taken for an example. Okay, when two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. That also you're going to study. The next property I'm going to tell you. So these two sides are 55 degree and 55 degree. This is 70 degree. Just total it out. It's come out to be 180 degree sum of angles of triangle. 70 plus 55 plus 55. 55 plus 55 is 110. 110 plus 70 is 180 degree. So that is okay. It is satisfying the property of a triangle. That is sum of angles of triangle is equals to 180 degree. Now we are coming to this relation. If angle 1 is 70 degree, this is a straight line, forms linear pair, 1 plus 4. That is what I told you in last class also. So what is going to be angle 4? If the total is 180, what is angle 4? Angle 4 is your 110 degree. So that is how angle 1 plus angle 4 will come out to be your 180 degree. This is 110 degree, right? because total on a straight line, it is making 180 degree. If it is a pair angle, if one is 70, the other is 110. Okay, then only it is going to complete 180 degree. Now this 110 is equals to this 2 plus 3, which is again 110. Okay, this is how. I think this is clear to you now with the help of figure, with the help of measure marking, right? Now we'll be doing certain questions to support my this property. Okay, I'm going to do certain questions and you need to be good. Can I please note it down everything, right? So, and this is very important, very, very, very important topic, and you must know. I hope it is clear. You can rewatch my video more than once to get clear with this concept, right? And listen to my words, whatever I'm saying, just listen to the theory very carefully. And the way I'm writing, the way I'm saying, the way I'm justifying the properties, please do take care of that, right? Now, the question coming your way is, first question of the day. Okay. Now, question number first, right? Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, is a right angled triangle. Yes, right angle triangle in which angle B is equals to 90 degree. Of course, if it is a right angle triangle, one angle has to be of 90 degree. If angle ABD is an exterior angle, fine, of triangle ABC, find its measure. Now, very simple question. We will read the question very carefully. In triangle ABC, say triangle ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is equals to 90 degree. Fine. So that is for sure. Your B is your 90 degree angle, right? 90 degree. And this is your A, this is your C. Now, if angle ABC is an exterior angle, if angle ABD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC, find its measure. ABD, here it is making an exterior angle, right? Find its measure. Angle ABD. Fine. Can you tell me what is the measure of angle ABD? If it is 90 degree, ABD is an exterior angle. You know that on a straight line, it forms 180 degree, right? So obviously this is 90, then to form complete sum of 180 degree, it should be 90 degree, right? And mathematically, how we are going to write? We are going to write in triangle, the solution of this question is, in triangle ABC, angle B is equals to, angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. Angle ABD is an exterior angle, Therefore, angle ABC plus angle ABD is equals to 180 degree by the virtue of your linear pair LP I am writing, right? And angle ABC is 90 degree plus angle ABD is equals to 180 degree. When we will transpose, here I am writing angle ABD is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, right? 180 degree minus 90 degree. Here I am writing. I hope it is clear. ABD is equals to 180 minus 90. You will get 90 degree as a result. Okay. 180 degree minus 90 is equals to this 90 degree. ABD is 90 degree as a result. Okay. With the help of linear pair. Mathematically, this is the way we prove. And on seeing the figure also, straight away you can click for the answer if you know the theory very well. Okay. This is the first question of the day. Coming on to the next question. Second question of the day is, Now, question number 2. Find the value of the unknown angle x. Question number 2. Find the value of unknown angle. Unknown angle x. Okay. How you're going to do it? Now, the A part. I'm going to draw the figure. Fine. We will work out what is the measurement of the unknown angle. Fine. This is 30. This is 70. And this is x. Okay. You have to find the value of x. Now, see, recall the properties which I taught you, right? There are two ways to do it. For this question, this is a triangle which is given 30 and 70. You know the angle sum property of a triangle. If this is 70 plus 30, what is the measurement of this one? What is the measurement of this one? This is your 70 plus 30 is 100 and plus 80, that is, if there is a 80 is lacking to make 180 degrees. 70 plus 30 plus 80, that is 180 now, or you can do like that. 180 minus 70 plus 30 in brackets. So you can minus subtract 70 plus 30, 100 from 180, you will get the result as 80. Now it is giving you the angle sum property of a triangle. If you sum all these three values, you will get 180 degree as an answer. Now, coming on to this exterior angle, they ask you about the exterior angle. This forms a linear pair. If this is 80 and the linear pair forms 180 degree, linear pair forms 180 degree, this is going to be your 100 degree. And as I told you, there's another property that the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles. This 70 plus 30 is also 100 and this exterior angle is also 100. It is also proved, right? That the property which I taught you, 6 number property, that is also proved with the help of this question. Coming on to the B part of this question. Fine, straight away we will do B part. Now, this is a triangle which they have given, and this is how, right? I'm making an arrow, and this x, and this is 40, and this is 20, right? With the help of your last property, which I told you, the exterior angle is equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles. You can straight away write the result. That is 40 plus 20 is your 60. X is 60, okay? Or the other way is 40 plus 20 is 60. What is this much? This is 120. 180 minus 60, that is 120, sum of angles of triangle. This property we can imply and you can take out 120 degree, right? So, and again, this is a linear pair, 120 plus 60 is again forming 180 degree. It is complying with both the statement. So our answer is justified. Now coming on to the C part, right? The C part is, again, it's like this. This is your 40. This is your 50 degree. This is your X. Fine. So what is the value of X over here? Straight away you can write 40 plus 50, right? Exterior angles equals to sum of two opposite interior angles. 40 plus 50, this is 90. And otherwise also 40 plus 50 is 90. What is going to be the sum of this to make it 180 degree? Sum of angles of triangle property, 90 degree. And this is again 90 degree, 180. Okay. So there are two ways you are going to solve the question. So the way I'm saying, say the property time and again, bar bar bolo, so that you should have a hang on the property. Okay. Sum of angles of triangle, exterior angle is equals to two opposite interior angles. The measure of exterior angle is equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles, right? And the exterior angle with an adjacent interior angle forms 180 degree. That is called your linear pair. Again and again, speak the property and get a hang on it. It's very important. So next question coming your way is a new type of question. Question number 3 I'm doing with you. Here again, you need to find the value of X, but in different scenario. Fine. So far, you have done a question in which the state of your property is applied, but now this question has a little twist in it. So find X. Question number 3. find x. Okay, find x. And the question coming your way is, this I made the triangle. This is 80, fine. And this is x. This is 125 degree, fine. So how you're going to find out the x? You know that these are two opposite interior angles to this exterior angle. So can I write 125 degree is equals to 80 plus x with the last property that exterior angle measure is equals to the sum of measure of two opposite interior angle. Sum of measure of two opposite interior angle. I'm writing the short form of opposite as OPP and interior as INT. Okay. So what answer we will get? Let us shift it because I need to find out the x. So I have to bring x on the left hand side. So can I write it like this? 80 plus x is equals to 125. 80 plus x is equals to 125. I will keep x over here. 125 minus 80 transposing. X is equals to 45 degrees. Okay, 45 is the answer. And if 45 is the answer, 80 plus 45 is 125, which is complying with the measurement of your exterior angle of triangle. Okay, so this is the way you're going to solve this. One more part I'm doing for you. Yes, over here. With the same property it is. Now I will not be going to the lengthy method. This is the way, you have to write. I'll give you the short solutions of it. 3 parts I'm going to cover. Now, this is the triangle B part. See here. It can be inverted triangle also, right? It can be straight triangle. So don't worry about the figure, but it should be a triangle. 60 degree. It is an inverted. Ulta kar diya. This is called inverted triangle, upside down. And this is x. This is 110. Can you guess what is the measure of x? You know that the sum of these two is equals to exterior angle. So this is 110, this is 60. So 110 minus 60, this is x is equals to 50 degree. So 60 plus 50 is 110 degrees. So this is how I have the same property which I used in my last part also. Right? Now coming on to the C part. C part is your like this. I'm going to do, yes, it's here. This is x. This is your 25 degree and this is your 80 degree. So what could be the measure of x? Again, x plus 25 is 80 and x is equals to 80 minus 25. We'll be getting 55. Okay, 55 is the answer of x. So 55 plus 25 is again your 80 degree only. You get the correct answer. So these are the questions which come under these property. And one more property I'm going to cover, which is again very important, 1 or 2 properties more, right? According to your 7th class syllabus. So these are the questions. You can open your book. You can open your NCERT book and whatever I have done, properties of triangle, you can always refer to that. Questions may not be the same, but of the same sort of questions, questions of the same nature would be there in your book. That is there in your book. So you can always attempt for that. Use your pencil, right? Mark for the theory also, mark your notes also. Writing notes in maths is very important. According to me, I make write notes in a math so that the properties you're writing, you should have a thorough practice how to present it well. Okay. So this is my set of class for today. I hope you enjoyed the session and please do revision from your own textbook class 7th only, right? It's going to help you a lot. And try to read out more and more about triangles. Okay, lines and angles also and triangles also. Go brush up that chapter also because that sir has done with you. So please brush up that also. You must know what is interior, what is exterior, these terms, small terms, basic terms. You must be well versed with all these terms. Interior angle, exterior angle, parallel lines, intersecting lines, corresponding angles, interior angles, exterior angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, co-interior angles, co-exterior angles. All these terms you should be thorough with it. Okay. So please, I always insist, this is my recommendation or advisory to you, to please go through the theory of lines and angles also, plus some this one, properties of triangle also. Now, if you start solving the book question, it will be easy for you to attempt those. If you have any doubt, you can call on me on Saturday with your doubts, right? I'm there to resolve your doubts. So more I will come up on this topic in tomorrow's class. And do well, do update your work, update your notebooks properly, date-wise and index-wise also. Whatever work I'm doing on a daily basis should be in your notebook. Okay, thank you so much for today's class. Right, God bless you all. Take care.